Hello, greeting from Qinggong machinery. The Turntable Shot Blasting Machine, 5 units for one customer. Same size, same function for the same workpieces. The rotor table weighs 1.5 meter. Loading capacity is 3 tons. Double swing door. 2 units blast turbines. Very easy for the workpieces in the blasting chamber, and the abrasive will cover all the surface of the workpieces. After finished, turn around and the workpieces go again. 12mm gut plate in the blasting chamber. The material is high manganese steel plate, and that can use about 7 years. The abrasive from the blast turbine heated on the workpieces, then will into the screw conveyor and bucket elevator, then go the top separator. Second level dust collector, that including the setting chamber and the cartridge filter dust collector, high effective. All the machine is customized according to your workpieces and your requirements to design. So please let us know if you like the Turntable Shot Blasting Machine or you have the heavy workpieces need to blast. We will give you the professional proposal and the best price. Bye.